Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Friday, June 15th, and it's been a while. It's been almost 2 weeks. Actually, it has been 2 weeks since that last video. And I want to update with you guys on what's going on and how the car is doing and some big updates. So first, I'll start off by saying I took my car into a different dealership. I took it to Gerald Subaru of North Aurora, and it's actually not the usual one I go to. The normal one I go to is Gerald Subaru of Naperville. So anyways, I brought to their attention, originally what I brought to their attention was my throwout bearing, which was making a whirling sound during cold starts in the morning. And they basically did some tests. They found out that my throwout bearing, which they replaced already 3 times, was defective, and they ended up doing a lot more than I asked for. So basically, it also mentioned that my clutch pedal was making a squeaking sound, which originally happened a while back, like maybe a year ago, and they replaced the brake pedal and clutch pedal assembly. So anyways, what they ended up doing, and this is to my surprise, and this is Gerald Subaru of North Aurora, so big thumbs up to them, and they did really great service, and I'm blown away by what they did. But if you need service and you're in my area, do not hesitate to call them or get your car service there. So anyways, they ended up, to my surprise, ordering a whole complete clutch, and this is a new updated clutch. It says per TSP. I'm not sure if it's like for the 2018 Subaru WRX, but they ended up replacing my flywheel clutch, which this is already done before, mind you, roughly I want to say 8 months ago. So they replaced my entire clutch, changed my transmission fluid, yeah, I think that's what that would be, the gear down here. Somewhere down here it talks about the gear oil, yeah, down here, 7590 gear oil. So anyways, they replaced my entire clutch, and then my brake pedal assembly, which they also replaced. Originally they were going to charge me $400, and I told them I could not afford to pay it, and they ended up, out of their kindness, replacing it anyways under warranty also, because I had that replaced last year. So they replaced the clutch pedal and brake pedal assembly, so I no longer have the squeaking sound. And then the very bottom, this kind of sucks, but they did find out that my car was tuned on E30, so they said parts warranty approved for this one-time repair. Excessive abuse or driving may void any warranty, which is fine, because considering what they did and how much that would have costed me, it's a big thank you. So the clutch and brake pedal assembly is this basically whole piece here for the clutch and brake. So this is all new, that's been replaced. And that's the second time it was replaced, because I had it start squeaking on me. And as for the throwout bearing noise, this is a cold start. It's morning. Clutch is super light as expected. It's a new clutch pedal. There's no throwout bearing noise. It's totally gone. And anyway, so yeah, I'm just blown away. So big, again, thank you again to Gerald Subaru of North Aurora. They blew me away, honestly. So considering that they replaced it again under warranty, and this is my current mileage. The last time I had my clutch replaced was 36,000 miles, and here I am again with another new clutch. And so back to the story. Okay, so here's the thing. As much as I love E30 and as much as I love having fun with my car, launching and doing track days, here's the thing. I'm just not gonna do those things anymore. I'm not gonna run E30, because I think the whole main reason why my clutch went out so fast, because I had to replace, I think it was at 36,000 miles last time. The whole reason why is because E30 is just simply too much power for the stock clutch, and I'm just not gonna run it anymore. Now, I am tuned just on the stage 193 octane tune by MAP, and I'm just gonna keep it that way. And I'm probably not gonna use flat foot shifting anymore. And I definitely know I'm not gonna be launching anymore, because this is ridiculous to have what happened happen. So, and another thing is, I don't even think my clutch needed to be replaced, but I think they just did it out of their kindness. And maybe, I don't know, but for some reason they did it anyways. And so I'm gonna drive a little bit, just kind of casually drive. I'm not gonna drive it hard, because I did reset my mileage since I replaced the clutch. So far, I've only driven barely 24 miles, and so I'm gonna basically go easy on the first 500 miles. So I'm gonna do a casual drive, no real pulls, because this is obviously a new clutch, so I'll tell you how the driving experience is, and I guess we'll go on from there. So just wanted to update you guys, that's what's going on. My car was in the shop for almost 7 days, so I couldn't make any videos. I did have a loaner car. It was just a Subaru Forester. But anyway, so I'm gonna drive and then just tell you how it feels with the new clutch. And then I guess my next video will be after my car or my clutch is breaking in. So I'll see you guys on the road. Peace out. What's going on, guys? Friday, June 15th, continuing my drive. So basically with the new clutch, it was just kind of like how it was last time. Basically the clutch pedal is super light. It's like butterily soft, like to the point where you're just like putting a hot knife into butter. It's just like so soft. And one thing I did notice that's different from the last time my clutch was replaced is this one has absolutely no feel. Like I feel no grabbing point, nothing. So I'm hoping that changes once it gets broken in. But there's basically no feeling. You're basically clutching in. There's no difference in resistance or any kind of grab points. So you're basically kind of driving just with your mind, basically, of turning when you know that the clutch is going to grab. So that's just one thing I noticed that's a little bit different. So I'm guessing that may change after it gets broken in. But for the most part, it's been great. You know, it's I only driven like 25 miles now, but feels great. And again, I'm blown away again by Gerald of North Aurora, considering that they did what they did. The thing is, they said that the part was under warranty, and because I had my clutch replaced last year, I think it was around August, and I guess it was covered. And I didn't even say I wanted a new clutch. That's the thing. I just told them that my throw bearing was making a whirling sound, and I mentioned the clutch pedal squeak, and then for some reason they said under the TSB, it basically because of those two reasons, they had to replace my entire clutch per TSP, which is what the invoice said. So I was pretty shocked that they did that. And I guess that was their third one they did just recently. So I guess I wasn't the only one that they did that for, but I may be the only one out of a big group of people that they've, you know, Subaru in general and covered a whole entire clutch 2 times under warranty. And this is a wear part, keep that in mind. So I am just totally blown away, and they are just like, I'm just super thankful, man. I pretty much like owe them my left kidney. And he just says it's gonna be funny here, because it's like that would have been a super expensive. Even the service manager of Gerald Subaru North Aurora, he called me, he told me everything. He said, look, you know, you can't track your car anymore. We've seen your YouTube videos, because I guess somehow well, obviously they could just go to my channel because my stickers are on my windows. But they said they've seen what I've done, and they said that if you do that again, you're just gonna have to be back here again for the clutch replacement. And I basically told them, and I pretty much promised him, I said that, look, I'm not gonna track my car anymore. I'm not gonna launch my car anymore. I'm still gonna drive it and drive it conservatively, but I'm also gonna have a little fun there, you know, here and there doing pulls and stuff, which I'll still do in the videos, but I'm not gonna launch. I said this last time, and I ended up, after a few months, I don't know if it took me 4 months or whatever, then I started doing launches again. But I'm just not gonna do it anymore, because I've had my fun. I've got all the videos as proof, and for now, just drive the car. And right now, I'm just trying to break in the clutch, so really, I can't be harder anyways. I'm just gonna basically do that. So I'll continue making my videos. I am positive I'm not gonna go back to the track. I will probably go there to film other cars race though, and but I will be racing my car now, because after what that whole process was, you know, what I went through in terms of, you know, having all that stuff happen and all the, you know, worries about my clutch slipping, I guess I should be thankful for what they did. And I'm not going to ruin this again by staying on the E30. So as for the E32, I honestly don't think I'm going to use it anymore. I am just not going to use it. May even delete off my Access Port and just keep it at that, because that's the whole reason why my clutch got burned out, is because it's simply too much power. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is basically what my video was. I just wanted to say where I've been and what's going on. Yeah, the car's fine. Obviously, I haven't had it for a while, but I did miss it. I just got back yesterday. But that's what happened, and here I am with a brand new clutch yet again. Second time under warranty, which is just like unbelievable. I don't know if there's even that many people who haven't even had that happen. And Subaru of America did know about my YouTube channel. I guess they have the link on my YouTube on their actual under my file, under my VIN number or something. So yeah, they know, and they said that this is the last time something's going to be covered under warranty. And I said that's fine. That's why I'm just not going to do anything more than just do pulls, just drive the car conservatively. But yeah, this new clutch is just like, wow, it's just like starting all over again. Like you're just kind of like a brand new car. So getting very blown away. And I will do pulls, like I said. I just gotta wait till those clutch brakes gets fully broken in, and then we'll go on from there. So basically, just wanted to talk about that. That's what happened, and that's what went down, and that's why I've been gone for a while. And yeah, so I guess the next 2 or 3 weeks I'll be breaking in the car. I probably won't be making any videos because I'm gonna be breaking in the clutch. But I just wanted to update with what was going on, and I guess that's pretty much it. So I will probably close out the video, and until then, I guess I'll see you guys around, and I guess if you do have any problems with your car and you know of a good dealership who would do something similar, give it a try. Tell them what's going on, and who knows, maybe you can get your clutch replaced too. I don't know, but I was just blown away that they did what they did. And again, big thank you to Gerald Subaru, the service manager, my service advisor, everybody. Thank you. You guys are awesome, and I totally recommend them to anyone who lives in my area. So Gerald Subaru of North Aurora on Hanson Boulevard, and until then, thank you all, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys thought. Like, are you blown away that the fact that I had my clutch replaced 2 times under warranty and I knew I was on E30? I mean, that's a big deal. I am just like super surprised that I got that covered under warranty. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. You got a question or comment, feel free to leave me one. I'll see you guys around. Sorry I was talking kind of fast. I guess I was kind of excited and I haven't made a video in a while, so maybe I was kind of too excited with my words, but I was kind of talking fast. But anyways, I guess this is just how I am sometimes. So I'll see you guys around, and hopefully within 2 weeks or so I'll get my clutch broken in, and then we'll go on from there. So peace out. See you guys soon, and thank you for watching as always. Lose WRX signing out.